Today was the funnest day ever when I saw the students come in and sit down, and when I saw them clapping, it just made me so happy.
Accent Pontiac is the best place that I've actually ever been to or did or committed to. So this week has been amazing.
1, 2, ready,
Put your money up in bed. First, then I gotta say while we're at. Make your money go, don't let it go, 'cause you can lose it all and you broke.
Hey, my name's Goody. I play guitar and sing. I founded Funding the Future about 6 or 7 years ago. Actually, didn't even know I was talking about financial literacy when I was talking to TV and press about some things that I thought might be able to help students if they could learn a little. So we're hoping we can kind of do our little part in bridging that divide and bringing some folks together and making some music. So we're lucky to get to do this.
We are the Reminders. I'm Age Black.
Big Samir.
And we became a part of Funding the Future after we saw the tremendous work that we were doing. We got to meet Sasha, we got to meet Colleen, we got to meet Gooding. And the things that they were doing, they just were able to stress the importance to us of making sure that people have access to financial education.
Unapologetic, independent, working hard, it took some time to get it started, but I burn like the Sonic. Y'all can rock the world, worship beyond and learn which one is one, and from him we never quit.
So this week we were working with students to compose brand new music, and since we're working with Funding the Future, this music this week was about financial literacy. And basically what we did was all week long we grabbed ideas from the students, we asked them what they wanted to write about, we asked them what style of music they want to write about, and we helped them put their music into one whole composition that they could perform in just 1 week's time.
Yeah, we also got closer to finding a sound of the city of Pontiac. These kids are developing a new sound for this city, and we're giving them a platform to be able to do that. And we thought we would talk about something. We talk about money. We talk about financial literacy and how important it is to have money and save money and to be really careful with your money. And these students came up with some unbelievable material that they wrote about. And this next piece you're about to hear is all composed or written by the students that you see up here. It's pretty amazing.